Hey guys, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this tutorial, I'm going to share how to type an M dash on Mac. So let me open a document. So this is a sample document. So in order to type a M dash, what you can do is you can keyboard press the Option, Shift and hyphen key on the keyboard, which will add a M dash. This is M dash. So what I used is Option, Shift and hyphen. So this will add an M dash. Now similarly, if you want to add an N dash, what you can do is you can simply press the Option key and hyphen, which will add an N dash which is slightly smaller than M dash. And thirdly, if you want to just add a hyphen, then you can just press the hyphen key on the keyboard and it will add the hyphen. So you can see the difference. The M dash is slightly bigger than N dash and hyphen is quite smaller. So this way you can add M dash anywhere on your Mac system. So let me open the address bar, and here I would like to type the M dash. So I can press Option, Shift and hyphen key and it will add the M dash. So this keyboard shortcut is applicable across the Mac. You can use it anywhere. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.